What if your Microsoft Access database could build itself in seconds and cost you nothing? Hi, I'm Bob Heifler. I've been building Microsoft Access databases for businesses for over 30 years professionally. This is Access Wizard, a free Microsoft Access tool that builds a complete database customized to your request in under 2 minutes. It creates the tables, the relationships, primary and foreign keys, data types, field sizes, and the data entry forms automatically. This runs entirely inside Microsoft Access on your computer. It's designed for building internal business tools, not public websites or SaaS apps. Here is where you would put the name of a business or a hobby or any activity you can think of, and it will build a database for you. Here's a list of the 50 most common databases, most common at the top. These ones are professional. There's some non-professional ones down here. But you don't have to pick one of those. You could just type something in here. Now I'm going to start the 2-minute timer and press step 2. It takes you over to ChatGPT, where I use the up arrow. The prompt is already put in there automatically for us. What's happening now is the AI is designing the entire data structure of this Access database in real time. Tables and forms are being created in seconds. The metadata for it, instructional data, is being created at the same time. This is happening right now. This is structured JSON, so nothing's hidden and everything is editable. It's done. I'm going to copy the code. I'm going to come over here and press F. The step 3. The tables are created, and here's the forms. This is the kind of work that takes developers several hours for table and form design. Okay, I'm going to enter some fields I want, and then what's going to happen is we're going to create some forms now. So I guess what we can do is just hit this button and decide to create some forms. Now I have 37 seconds left, 34 seconds left, but the database is already created with 30 seconds left on the timer. Here's 4 main forms, and let's take a look at what we have. So I'm going to go with the orders first. I've got to enter a customer, so we're going to put Mary Smith. I chose full name instead of anything else. And now when I hit enter, since Mary wasn't already in the customer table, it's asking whether I want to add it, and I say yes, and now it comes over here and allows me to put in other data. And when I close the form, we see what was added, and then I'm going to pick of course that would be automated, and you guys know how to do that stuff, or I do. You could ask me. Now I want order details, of course, and again the same thing. This is a nursery, so we'll put rows. Yeah, add the rows and close it, and rows is there, and we just need 2 of those, $6 each, you know, whatever. I didn't choose all the different fields that could have gone there, and that's about it. Close it. Okay. So this is built for people already using Microsoft Access Wizard. It's free. There's no credit card or sign up. It replaces hours of manual access work. If you need more than 5 forms, you can upgrade for a one-time $39. Get your free copy here at Online Save. Get the latest updates on this tool by subscribing to the channel. Suggestions from your comments are welcomed. Thanks for watching.